Tanggal ng toilet seat. Put it here. It's clean. Isan muna natin bago ilagay ang bago. I'm gonna do the same thing how did I
Yes, same pictures in reverse.
yeah. Ito na yung bago namin. May kasama siyang pang baby. I think after baby, wala ko ilagay na siya. Stick. Nakaselve pa. Walang gunting-gunting.
The incident was reported in
So I just
Kharkiv
put
region
A.
of Ukraine, but no other details are
And
available
C.
at this time.
Okay.
Like this first. Or because it's
I don't know. You're the one who's doing it, so you have to figure out the way it's done and just do what the instruction says. You think the things that I do are easy, so now you figure out, you see how they go.
yeah, I think I'm gonna do
Yeah.
like this.
Okay. Okay, let me know. Call me when you finish. So how's it going? Is it doing okay? You got it?
I tried to figure
I
out.
said yeah, because I need to do purpose.
You do the other.
Aren't helping?
Aren't may.
Aren't helping.
Yes. Where's the other one?
And you read the instructions?
Huh?
You read the instructions?
No.
Would
I
help.
just-
Would
I
help
just
if you
put-
read it.
Yeah, but I just said they just put this one. Like this.
Okay.
And where's the other long screw? The... Naliwala na lang. Asa lang isa?
I think you guys gonna get fired before this is done.
Because Aaron lost the other parts. Son up, you gotta look the other parts. Where did you...
It's done?
But I didn't put back the finish yet the bottom. Now I know now.
Bravo. So
Now
that's
I
how you
know
do
how
it?
to
So-
do it.
okay.
It's easy.
Let me see how it works.
It's not yet too tight because I don't use this one. It's only my hands.
Well, you have to finish it.
Yeah.
How can you
But
got
I
it?
just make it sure I'm right.
Okay, so if it fits, it fits. So let me see what's the difference now.
The difference now is there is for RN. For RN, for the babies, and for us, for the big.
No, okay, that's a fancy one.
Your video, the toilet is dirty, not yet clean.
Well, this is still, that's how you keep it.
Now I need to clean.
Okay. Okay, good job. Okay. How about if I make a mistake and use a small seat? Alan, you happy with your seat? Okay. Okay, bravo. Good installation.